To set up URL forwarding on your Porkbun domain, follow these steps. Log into your Porkbun account. Go to Porkbun's website and log in with your credentials. Access your domain management. From the dashboard, locate the domain you want to set up forwarding for and click on Manage Domain next to it. Navigate to DNS settings. Scroll down to the DNS settings section and click on Edit under the DNS records for the domain. Set up URL forwarding. Scroll to the bottom of the DNS settings page where you will see a section for URL forwarding. Click on Add URL forwarding. Enter the forwarding information. Source URL. Enter the domain or URL that you want to forward. Destination URL. Enter the URL to which you want the visitors to be redirected. Choose the type of forwarding. Permanent for SEO-friendly forwarding, or temporary if the redirection is not permanent. Save changes. Click Save Changes to apply the URL forwarding. Propagation. It may take some time for the forwarding to be fully activated.